strange noise causes thousands to flee village over huge earthquake fears. China's Guizhou villagers have fled their homes in the thousands due to a mysterious sound causing panic. A strange noise echoing throughout a village in China forced many to flee out of fear. Despite the confusion, some residents in the villages in the Guizhou County went in search of this sound with the belief it was a mythical creature. Some described the sound as a dragon growling, while others remarked it was more like a tiger's roar. The villagers, swarming at the top of the mountain in Guizhou of China's southwestern province Guizhou, began circulating on Chinese social media. The video eventually reached Twitter, where social media users made their own conclusion about the mysterious noise. Some Twitter users remarked that it could be the sound of fault lines beneath the village, causing fears that an earthquake could be imminent. While others considered it could be an animal in the wild, as similar noises had been heard elsewhere in China. Guizhou officials sent teams of experts to search the area after the video went viral. Zoologists were able to later confirm the sound was in fact coming from a small bird. The yellow-legged button quail was dubbed the culprit and is only slightly bigger than a sparrow. Despite their size, the birds have a considerably loud song. During the breeding season, female yellow-legged button quails' loud hoots can be heard at a distance as far as 100 meters. Local primary school teacher Liu Fuqian claimed to have seen the bird making the confusing call. He said, "It hums twice or three times repeatedly every 6 or 7 minutes. The sound was very deep. I thought it was quite strange as well." A dozen of villagers followed the sound to the cornfield and chased down a yellow bird with a really short tail. The director of the Provincial Wildlife Protection Center told reporters similar sounds had been heard before in the area. He said, residents in other areas had heard similar sounds before. They just didn't think too much about it.